Oop. So here it is, right here. It looks like the case just kind of comes out. Okay. So we got an accessory box, and we've got the Rubik's Cube itself. Before we get to the Rubik's Cube, let's see what's in the accessories. Instructions, screwdriver, instructions of destiny. Here's the screwdriver. It's actually pretty nice. It's similar to the Moyu screwdrivers. Here's the cube in all its glory. I'm gonna solve on pink, because pink's my favorite color out of the 6 sides. It's pretty fast, actually. Wow, okay. There's no lube in this thing, I don't believe. Yeah, it's light as a feather. It actually feels like a high-quality speed cube. It's kind of weird to describe, but let's check out the corner cutting just to prove my point. It's actually not amazing, but it's... Let's check out regular corner cutting. Regular corner cutting isn't actually too bad. So yeah, it's like a little speed cube, basically. I can turn extremely fast on this thing. Alright, so now that that's done with, let's do a scramble. And with the power of editing, I'm going to make a stack my timer appear right here in 3 seconds. With the magical power of editing, we now have a stackman timer. Let's turn this bad boy on. Alright, so now let's do a solve. Do some inspection. This is kind of a weird cube to inspect because the color scheme is all wrong. All kinds of weird. Oh wow, okay. If you couldn't tell, I'm not color neutral. Bruh. And our time was 28 seconds, not too bad for a color scheme messed up cube. All in all, I really like this cube. I think it's a pretty good addition to my collection. Turns phenomenally. Phenomenally. Yeah, 10 out of 10. It's a really good Rubik's Cube. I highly recommend it. You can get it from the Cubicle or Speed Cube Shop, not sponsored. Good cube.